Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best case available for the Tmobile Revvl 6 Pro 5G. The KECAI heavy-duty, military-grade phone case. If you're looking to give your Revvl 6 Pro or Revvl 6X Pro maximum protection without sacrificing functionality or style, this case might just be your perfect match. Right from the start, this case stands out because it's designed to provide full body protection with a robust multi-layer defense system. The construction combines a tough polycarbonate outer shell, a TPU inner layer, and a soft silicone exterior. This hybrid design isn't just about looks, it's about absorbing shocks, dispersing impacts, and guarding your phone against drops from up to 10 feet, which is no small feat. So, whether you're hiking, working outdoors, or just navigating daily life, this case is built to keep your phone safe. One of the most impressive features is the built-in screen protector. Unlike most cases that leave your screen exposed, or rely on separate screen guards, this case integrates a touch-sensitive protector that shields your display from scratches and cracks. Additionally, the raised bezels around the screen and camera add an extra layer of defense, preventing direct contact with flat surfaces and reducing the chance of damage. Functionality hasn't been compromised either. The KECAI case comes with precise cutouts that provide easy access to all buttons, ports, and features, ensuring your user experience remains seamless. To keep out dust and debris, charging port covers are included, which makes the case dust-proof and ideal for rugged environments. A unique addition is the rotatable belt clip holster. This accessory not only makes carrying your phone more convenient but also serves as a sturdy kickstand. The 360-degree rotation allows you to position your phone for hands-free video viewing in both vertical and horizontal modes, making it great for entertainment or video calls on the go. Plus, the holster easily attaches to your belt or bag, offering quick access and secure carrying. The design incorporates a textured anti-slip grip, reducing the chances of accidental drops while maintaining a slim and stylish profile. Despite being heavy-duty, the case doesn't feel bulky in hand and fits perfectly around the Tmobile Revvl 6 Pro and Revvl 6X Pro, showing attention to detail in both form and function. In the box, you get the phone case itself, the belt clip holster with kickstand functionality, and the built-in screen protector. KECAI also offers a 180-day warranty along with lifetime-friendly customer service, which speaks to their confidence in the quality and durability of their product. To summarize, if you want a tough, all-around protective case that doesn't compromise on convenience or style for your Tmobile Revvl 6 Pro or Revvl 6X Pro, this KECAI case checks all the boxes. It's rugged enough to handle drops, scrapes, and dirt, and smart enough to include useful features like a built-in screen protector and a versatile belt clip holster. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in giving your phone top-tier protection, the KECAI case for Tmobile Revvl 6 Pro 5G is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.